Hello, we are Project Petrus and we are here to present our application Alexandria. Alexandria is an application for a book retailer intended to promote their products and events. When the user navigates to the home page of the site, the attention is captured by the large hero section at the very top of the page. This section uses a large heading, a bright background image, and an introductory video to capture the user's focus. Following up is the What's Trending section, which displays to the user the latest trending books, and following that is latest news and a section to sign up to the mailing list. To navigate to other pages, click on the button on the top left-hand corner of the screen and a nav bar will appear from the side. Through this, the user can navigate through other sections of the site. This could be considered as a principle of the hierarchical pattern. The icons use the Gestalt principle of similarity to help the user feel more familiar with the system. To create an account or sign in, click on the icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. We will be creating a new user and signing up now. After the user signs in, the user is redirected to their account page. In the account page, the user can update their account information such as email, password, view their previous bookings, and amount of tokens they have collected. The books page contains a list of the books that the retailer wishes to promote via the site. The books are initially sorted alphabetically, and you can see their covers, their genres, their prices, and their authors. Each book result has a similar layout to make use of the Gestalt principle of similarity, and they also have an arrow symbol to signify that it is interactable. If you wish, you can search for a book by its title, or apply stricter filters such as limiting the price or limiting the genre of books to search from. After you navigate to a particular book, you can see details about the book, as well as 3 buttons that indicate actions you can take. Locate Nearest Store shows you the nearest store that you can buy the book from. If you click on Write Review button, you can write a review about the book and gather tokens for your review. Tokens are a part of the website's gamification strategy and can be used later to obtain discounts. Here you can add your book as a favorite so that you can access it later from the favorites page. On this page, you can see all of the things you have added as favorites, which could be team members, books, points of interest, news items, and events. You can email your favorites list to your account email if you wish. Next, let's look at news items. These are quite simple news articles that you can search through, click on, and read. Points of interest are similar to news items. They can be searched for and read. Additionally, you can also see the location of the point of interest. Next, we navigate to the events list. The events list and all the other lists of the site use the nested doll pattern. When an item on the event list is clicked, the user is directed to the corresponding event. Here, the user can buy tickets, confirm their attendance, thereby introducing a social dimension to the event page. The user can also view who else is coming for the event. When the user clicks Buy Tickets, they must then confirm their booking by entering the number of tickets they wish to purchase. And if they wish to spend tokens to reduce the final price of the tickets. After proceeding to checkout, the user will enter their credit card details and complete their transaction. Now you can see the booking has been made in your account page. Moving on to the About Us page. This page contains details about the team members. The Contact Us page contains a form via which you can contact the site administration. Next, we will demonstrate the QR code scanning page. The iPad has a similar theme but a slight change to the information layout. The parent pattern is still the hierarchical pattern with the bento box as a sub-pattern. This is because the space we have to work with is much larger than the iPhone. Following the Gestalt principle similarity, we have included the same transition from iPhone to iPad. In pages such as Sign In and Sign Up, where there is minimalistic amount of content, the elements which the user interacts with are positioned in the center. This is due to the large amount of screen space present and to grab the user's attention at a glance. We have retained the nested doll pattern for certain situations such as when displaying list items to provide the user a familiar feeling. This concludes the presentation of our application Alexandria. Thank you for watching.